the first time when we are traveling ever, it happened that our food got cancelled.
So now we rebooked for tomorrow and we will try to stretch it with the hotel for 1 day extra, or let's see how can we rebook it. But this is
also the return flight in this case.
yeah, but this is gonna be a mess.
Yeah.
1 day late.
Yeah.
But we finally made it.
Yeah, welcome in a rainy Milan.
Now that we made the train station in the city center, now we have to we have to walk.
Like 1 kilometer.
So the weather is really not that great, but I think we will be able to make it. Wow, kind of rustic.
14th century or something.
And here we are, guys, walking in the piazza of the Duomo di Milano.
Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II. This one is Italy's oldest active shopping gallery, and this is a major landmark of Milan.
We have Rolex. We have Gucci.
All the prestigious shops.
Really incredible, this Galleria.
I wish they had more like this, all over the world, but this is like a one of its kind. It's really, really stunning.
It's really, really stunning. They will not make you to buy it. You know, like Dolce & Gabbana.
No. Today we are in Milan. We had some severe weather warnings, but so far so good. I can really see the sun spells, so fingers crossed it's gonna stay like this at least.
Buongiorno.
Plain, yeah. Con cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Yeah.
Due.
Due cappuccini e due croissant.
Huh?
And the
It always happens when we go anywhere.
then it's
a lot of
like
people always
really,
come.
really full, no? Can you dip the croissant in a coffee?
I think you can.
Or this is against Italian rules?
Everybody does it. Buona giornata. Ciao. Buongiorno. Ciao.
Okay. Very good materials. Ciao, grazie mille, buona giornata. Buona giornata. Very nice.
Yep. Really beautiful. Like old.
Yeah, look at this.
Wow.
Look at this. Isn't it amazing?
What is this? L'ascensore.
L'ascensore. The elevator, yeah.
If you wanted your picture alone with the Duomo,
Forget
it's too
about
late.
it. You have to come maybe at 5 a.m. or something like that.
Something like that. So we are inside the Duomo, in the stairs, to go and see the, what is it, like the terrace?
Yes, the rooftop.
The rooftop.
Duomo.
The rooftop Duomo. And we just made the rooftop. Look at this. Isn't it impressive? Beautiful.
This amazing cathedral contains over 3,400 statues, over 100 gargoyles, which are this like kind of dragon-like figures. So it's a really, really impressive numbers. It took thousands of artists, sculptors, and other specialized workers involved in the construction of the Cathedral of Milan. They were architects from across the Europe invited to work on this project. At least 78 total different architects. And it grew and grew, its construction dragged on over the years. It was consecrated in 1418, but only the nave was really finished at the time. Heavy construction continued for another 200 years.
We're inside the Duomo di Milano. It's an impressive cathedral. Look at the details of the vitrals. Are just incredible. This such a level of design and how to say details that it has. This cathedral is just amazing. I know, really wonder why it took so long to build this place, over 400, 600 years.
Stunning.
It's really stunning.
I think now we can go and see the Ferrari. I think I want to buy Ferrari, and then we can go back by car.
Ferrari back. Red Ferrari. This is literally red Ferrari. And the dress, wow. What's just called this dress? The Pinacoteca Ambrosiana in Milan is one of Italy's oldest art galleries. Founded in 1618, located in the heart of the city, It houses a vast collection of Renaissance and Baroque masterpieces. Visitors can admire work by famous artists such as Leonardo da Vinci, Caravaggio, and Raphael. One of its highlights is Leonardo Codex Atlanticus, a collection of his scientific and artistic sketches. The gallery is part of the Ambrosian Library, which contains a rare manuscripts and books, which is a rich history and exceptional art. The Pinacoteca Ambrosiana offers a fascinating journey through centuries of Italian culture.
That's the Sforza Castle, really impressive, built in 1450 by Duke Francesco Sforza in Milan. It is a Renaissance fortress very rich in a history. Once it was serving as a military stronghold and a ducal residence, and now it houses the museum showcasing art, and it also includes Michelangelo's Pieta Rondini. And the castle remains a symbol of Milan's cultural and historical heritage. There we are again. This time we have some good antipasti with burrata and of course pizza. Delicious prosecco. Smells really great. Buongiorno. We are in another like a cafeteria or like a breakfast place, so it's like really buzzing and busy, and we are drinking really Italian delicious cappuccino.
Delicious croissant with ham in a local cafeteria here in Milan.
Yeah.
Delicious. And of course, cappuccino in the morning. Cannot miss.
We are saying goodbye from this beautiful balcony where you have a view to the city center. Our trip is finishing today. We are heading to the airport, so remember to click like and subscribe, and also come to Milan to make your own memories.
I hope you like it and see you the next time. Take care. Bye.